Smuggle in. Bring something into a place secretly and illegally. He was arrested for smuggling in illegal drugs from another country. Sneak in. Enter secretly without being noticed. The burglars sneaked in through the back door. Break into. Enter a place illegally, usually to steal something. Last night, a group of thieves broke into the jewelry store and stole expensive watches. Hold up. Use violence or threats to rob a place. Two masked men held up the gas station and escaped with all the cash from the register. Run off with. Steal something and leave quickly. A pickpocket ran off with my wallet while I was waiting for the bus. Make off with. Steal something and escape. The burglars made off with valuable paintings worth millions of dollars. Carry out. Do something illegal, such as a crime or attack. The gang carried out a series of robberies in different parts of the city before they were caught. Do in. Kill someone. The mafia did him in because he betrayed their secrets to the police. Knock off. Steal or rob something, often quickly. The thieves knocked off a convenience store in just a few minutes and got away. Rip off. Cheat or overcharge someone. That street vendor ripped me off by charging double the price for a fake watch. Cover up. Hide the truth about something illegal or wrong. The company tried to cover up the fact that they were dumping toxic waste into the river. Look into. Investigate a case. The police are looking into the mysterious disappearance of the businessman. Track down. Find a criminal after searching. After weeks of investigation, the police finally tracked down the suspect hiding in another city. Go after. Chase or try to catch a criminal. The police went after the car thieves, but they managed to escape. Hunt down. Search for someone until you catch them. The authorities hunted down the escaped prisoner and arrested him again. Work out. Solve a crime or mystery. The detective worked out that the murderer was someone from the victim's own family. Find out. Discover the truth. They found out that the missing girl had been taken to another country. Piece together. Collect small details to understand a case. The investigators pieced together the evidence to find out what really happened. Tip off. Give secret information to the police. A shop owner tipped off the police about a suspicious man hanging around his store. Come forward. Volunteer information to the police. A new witness came forward with important evidence about the robbery. Write up. Prepare an official report. The police officer wrote up the details of the accident for the case file. Turn in. Report or surrender someone to the police. After months of hiding, the fugitive finally turned himself in. Give up. Stop running and surrender. After a long police chase, the suspect finally gave up and got out of the car with his hands up. Get away with. Avoid being caught or punished. He lied to the court and got away with his crime because there was no evidence. Hand over. Give something, usually stolen, to the authorities. The thief was forced to hand over the stolen money to the police. Lock up. Put someone in prison. The judge locked up the criminal for 15 years because of his crimes. Bring in. Take someone to the police station for questioning. The police brought in several suspects for questioning about the robbery. Put away. Send someone to prison for a long time. The serial killer was finally put away for life after being found guilty. Take down. arrest or stop a criminal operation. The police took down a large drug cartel in a secret operation last night. Pin on. Blame someone for a crime they didn't commit. They tried to pin the robbery on an innocent man, but the truth came out later. Stand up in court. Be strong enough to be used as proof. The witness's statement didn't stand up in court because he kept changing his story. Get off. Avoid punishment or receive a light sentence. He got off with just a fine instead of jail time because he had a good lawyer. Turn against. Change sides and give evidence against someone. One of the gang members turned against his boss and testified in court. Go down for. Be sent to prison for a crime. He went down for 10 years for drug trafficking. Face up to. Accept punishment. He had to face up to the consequences of his actions when he was arrested. Own up. Admit responsibility for a crime. After a long investigation, the suspect finally owned up to the crime. Bail out. Pay money to free someone from jail. His family bailed him out, but he still has to go to trial next month. Come clean. Tell the truth after hiding it. He finally came clean and admitted that he had stolen the money. Lay down the law. Give a strict punishment or warning. The judge laid down the law and gave the criminal a maximum sentence. Rule out. Decide something is not possible. The police ruled out the possibility of suicide and treated it as a murder case. Send down. Give a long prison sentence. He was sent down for 25 years for his crimes. Blow over. A crime or scandal stops being talked about. The scandal blew over after a few months, and people forgot about it. Hold back. Hide or keep information secret. The suspect was holding back important details during the interrogation. Keep out. Stop someone from entering. The police kept out reporters from the crime scene. Break out. Escape from prison. The prisoners broke out by digging a tunnel under the walls. Mess up. Make mistakes in an investigation. The detective messed up and let an important clue slip away. Set up. Frame someone for a crime they didn't commit. He was set up by his enemies and wrongly sent to jail. Go off. A bomb or gun explodes or fires. A bomb went off in the city center, causing panic. Bring to justice. Catch and punish a criminal. The police promised to bring the murderer to justice. Do time. Spend time in jail as punishment. He did time for 10 years before being released. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.